When you love something, it's always personal. That's how we feel about Las Vegas.
I was born and raised in Las Vegas, and the town today is very different than the town of my childhood. Most of that stems around corporations moving in and the things that made Las Vegas unique, kind of bleeding into the background.
For the last 10 years, Vegas has trained you to come to Vegas, purchase a ticket, stand in line, get in a club. It's hard to feel like you're experiencing something special if you're standing with 5,000 people.
It's not about being the biggest on the block. It's about making a connection, about offering something no one else can.
A property of this scale is small by Las Vegas standards, and that gives us an intimate feel. Once you get on the casino floor, you can see from one side of it to the other.
We're on the Las Vegas Strip. You can be in the middle of all the craziness, but you can come back to this cool boutique experience where you don't have to elbow folks to get to a slot machine.
It's about personal attention, an intimate sensibility, a handcrafted experience designed to create magical moments.
Whether it's the sofa they sat in that was just so comfy that they sat there and they caught up with friends, we gave them the space to great memories. We go to great lengths to know what it looked like, what it felt like. Upon some research, I found a motif that they used in the old Sahara, and we started there. In the stained glass in the casino, we took that and we created a floating ceiling. And we want that little bit of nostalgia to be prominent here.
When you love something, you want the world to experience it, to share the way it looks and the way it feels.
When you come here, it's the moment that we want to give you almost like an oasis. Like you become your own island, you become your own space with your friends and the people you love, even if you are part of a bigger tribe.
People still yearn for that small boutique, service-oriented establishment to come back. We owe it to this property to go to those lengths because everything in this property should be that special.
SAHARA. For the love of Vegas.